Okay, so we came downstairs. This was the old wood stove that probably heated the upstairs. Probably connected in there at some point. So it's got supports, kind of like the homes of this era where they do that, and it's on the ground. Even though to do it correctly, it should be cemented in. You'll see it a lot. It's very common. This is the vent that they have plastic over up in the hall upstairs. So I don't know why they have it open. I would have closed that off a while ago. Which is typical. This is a typical basement of a home in this era. You got your water heater down here, and you have a combination of piping, which also is common. This back wall looks like it's been remortared in the cracks and whatnot. It gets damp right in here, in this corner. You can see it on the wood. You can see the crack going down. It's like, it even, like, this fell away, and this is how they fixed it. Which, I call it rolling, but this is what's holding up your house. So, and it's common when you have these older homes, and you know, that's why the floors get wonky. You can see this wall is rolling out a little bit, maybe. If you were here in person, you'd see it. So they've redone the piping, like what needs to happen at the Hampton house. They've done that. They've done it. It's kind of a funny pattern, but it's done. They've got tape around the cracks in the windows. You know, you could see the outside and the foundation right there. So that's been fixed before. And so these are the things that make the floors a little uneven upstairs. Under the panel box, you have another separation that went on, but this, when it goes straight through the block, is a little bit more scary than when it follows the mortar line. It is an updated panel box, but you still have some 2-prong upstairs mixed with 3-prong, which is, it is really an easy fix. You can fix that. You just buy new outlets and add a ground wire and you're good to go. It's tedious, but it's not hard and it's not expensive. The expensive part is updating the panel box. And we talked about what that looks like in a home. And all these supports were added later, and they're all, you know, blocked up.